Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to HW News English. After Adhir Ranjan's resignation letter was accepted by Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge, all eyes are over who will take Adhir's place. Meanwhile, some recent statements made by Adhir have raised all eyes over the relations between TMC and Congress in West Bengal. On one side, Adhir has expressed his displeasure over not being informed about his resignation letter being accepted, and on the other hand, he is making allegations against TMC. This allegation of Adhir comes amid the talks that he might shift his gears. Adhir has sent a strong message for Congress High Command. He has warned that Mamata Banerjee's TMC is trying to break the Congress party in West Bengal every day. Adhir says that Congress party workers are being beaten up every day in West Bengal by the ruling TMC activist. Adhir blames that TMC, despite being the part of India Alliance, has not stopped oppressing Congress party. He has asserted that at the grassroots level, the Congress members in West Bengal are not happy with the alliance. He has further urged the High Command to speak to the party workers in West Bengal who are struggling every day. Adhir says that their party workers are protesting on the streets to keep the Congress's flag. Adhir has made a demand that the Congress workers should be called to Delhi because their opinion is important. If we look at Adhir's relations with Mamata Banerjee's TMC, then it has been unfriendly. Adhir has openly targeted CM Mamata Banerjee. In fact, in the recent Lok Sabha polls, there were verbal feuds between Adhir and TMC. The latest was when the Congress had expressed solidarity with CM Mamata Banerjee over Niti Aayog meeting. But Adhir on the same day wrote a letter to President Draupadi Murmu against Mamata Banerjee-led state government. In the letter, he described West Bengal in an anarchic condition and sought President's intervention. Meanwhile, TMC has accused Adhir of working as an agent of the BJP in West Bengal. Adhir, on the other hand, has expressed his displeasure with his party ever since his resignation letter was accepted without informing him prior. He has claimed that he got to know about his removal from West Bengal party chief post during a meeting where he was referred to as former president. Twist in the story is, Union Minister Ramdas Atavale of Republican Party of India has offered Adhir an invite to join the BJP-led NDA alliance if he is being insulted in the Congress party. Now, if we sum up the entire scenario here, then Adhir on one side is showing all his dedication towards his party amid the times when he has also expressed his displeasure with the party. And on the other hand, TMC is calling Adhir a BJP agent and NDA leader is offering Adhir opportunity to join them. Question here comes, does Adhir's loyalty lies with Congress or will he jump ship? Or is Adhir's fight is against TMC and it has nothing to do with Congress? Do let us know what you think in the comments. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.